In this Argos Support video, we will show you how to clean the pump filter on your Bush washing machine. We recommend cleaning the pump filter every 2 to 3 months to ensure your washing machine works efficiently. Before cleaning the filter, ensure that the machine is unplugged from the main supply. Additionally, close the water tap so that no water leaks. Start by removing the pump cover. We recommend using a flathead screwdriver. Then, remove the filter by rotating it anti-clockwise. Thoroughly clean the filter using a brush whilst rinsing with water. Once fully clean, insert the filter and rotate it clockwise until it is tightened. Ensure to fit the filter properly before using the machine to avoid it leaking water. You can now clip the cover back into place. Your washing machine is now ready to use.